this video, we will show you how to install a Baldwin deadbolt tailpiece. To start the installation, be sure that the key is not in the cylinder. Next, depress the pin in the back of the cylinder with a thin wire, such as a paper clip. Turn the cap counterclockwise and remove the old tailpiece. Next, replace it with the new tailpiece. Hand tighten knurled cap in clockwise direction. Then turn it counterclockwise 1 notch. Insert key and check for function. If the cylinder drags, back off the knurled cap 1 notch. Try again. The key should turn freely and also easily be removed from the cylinder.